Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how do we do error handling. Error handling essentially means what is the correct way of writing codes. Because when we are writing strategies or when we are doing algo trading, we don't want the code to break in the middle because we will not even know that the code is broken in the middle. So I'll show you what is the right process. And for that, I'm just taking a very simple example. I am purposely making this video after market hours so that I can show you that even after market hours, that means when the market is not on, what will happen, right? So right at the top, what I've done is I've just imported the modules. This is the app ID. I have already done the login, so I have my access token and I'm setting up my access token. And then I'm just making a simple variable called request body, in which let's say I want to take the entry in SBIN with one quantity. Let's say I want to take the entry as a limit order. Let's make it limit order 1. The side is, let's make it 1, which is buying. Intraday type, and I have the limit price, let's say 730. And since it's a normal order, and I'm purposely right now making offline order as false, so that is the body. And then this is where we will be putting the place order. So we are using the FYERS.place order for this constant, and then we are checking that whether the response is correct or not. So if the response is okay, it will say that the order submitted successfully and it will give us the order ID. Otherwise, it will tell us that there was some problem in placing the order, and it will give us the error also. But now comes the more important part, which is here, that we are doing something called dot catch and open error. So basically what we're doing is that if there is any error here, maybe there is an error because of some connection, or maybe I've made some mistake in this constant already, then it will tell me that the error occurred, and it will even try to give me the error. And finally, I'm printing this out right at the end to just to prove that yes, the code is still going to go through each part and it will reach this. That means the code is running fully. So let's start running the code. I'm going to do node error handling, and you can see that right now it is, first of all, it has reached, the code reached here. That means it has reached the bottom part, so that's good. It is also telling us that order placement failed, and the reason it is telling that the order placement failed is because we were trying to place an offline order, online order, right? That means a live order, but that's not allowed. So it is even giving us the reason that orders are not allowed after market square of time. So that's good. So everything is working fine. Let's change it to true and let's run it now. And this time you will actually notice that again the code reached our bottom part, which is code reached here, and it was actually able to place the trade as well. So let's test it out. We can check it out as well. But in fact, you don't even have to check it out. You can see that the order ID has come. That means this is working perfectly fine. So this is also fine. Now I'm going to make some mistakes. So let's say when we were writing this, we made a mistake. Rather than keeping the type as either 1, 2, 3, 4, I made a mistake of putting it as 10. Let's run it again. And you can see that it is telling us that there is the type should be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is good. Again, this is not because we have done this coding, because this has been coded already in FYERS. So we really don't have to worry about this. But what if we give this an error here? So we are telling, instead of writing symbol, we by mistake wrote symbol 1. Then what happens? This is a genuine error. Let us see if our code is able to catch that. So now this is important. You can see that the code reached here is still coming. That means the code was able to run right till the end. But this time it is giving us this error. Error occurred while placing order. This is the error. That means it is working perfectly fine. Our code ran the entire thing. It is even giving us the error that there is some problem in symbol. There is some problem in symbol which was here. So usually this is the right method or right way of doing some kind of an error handling, where you use this dot catch, because once you do that, then there is a high chance that even if there is an error, it will get caught and our code will not stop. So I hope that's clear. Thanks for joining. I will see you in the next video.